There are several different types of omelets, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a French one. We're also going to be learning a little bit about what makes it French versus the American home-style or country-style omelet. And I'll share some tips with you so that your learning curve isn't as steep as mine was. All right, let's do this. I feel like I need to add the disclaimer that not all of the videos on this channel will be food related. Some, sure, but not all. Also, if you're wanting to skip ahead to the cooking or the tips part of the video, then I've left some timestamps in the description especially for you. Omelets are known as the world's fanciest dish, period. This has been confirmed by a very extensive and exhaustive, unbiased poll that I administered. Yes or yes, omelets are the world's fanciest dish. Yes, I agree. Absolutely. Couldn't agree more. 100%. Filet mignon? No, I don't think you understood the question. I'll repeat it for you. Place of origin, ancient Iran. Wikipedia says in Breakfast of History that this dish was nearly indistinguishable from the Iranian dish called kuku sabzi, but I'm probably butchering that name, or word, or name. But it looks like a masterpiece on a plate. I'm not a chef though. I feel way more comfortable in front of a computer or reading or sleeping, but if we want to make a flippin' omelet, we're gonna make a flippin' omelet. Probably not actually flip it though. First, if you have long hair, put your hair up. No one wants hair in their food. Then wash your hands because you just touched your hair. For a main course omelet, 3 or 4 eggs are recommended. I'm adding salt right now before scrambling because the salt breaks down the egg's proteins, which makes the egg more tender. Poke the yolks and then start whisking with a fork or a whisk. Don't over whisk though because the foam won't cook at the same temperature as the eggs. I found though that it's pretty difficult to over whisk by hand. At this point you can prepare the omelet fillings, leaving the egg mixture to the side so that the salt can further break down the egg. We want the pan on medium to medium-high heat. With the butter in the pan, we pour our egg mixture in and keep mixing the eggs because we want the smallest curd possible. I've actually only heard the word curd used with cheese, but I guess it applies here too. So we're mixing, and when it's about 85% done cooking, bring it to one side of the pan. Now we can fill it here with whatever we want and just pop it off the pan. Run your spatula or whatever you're using around to unstick the egg from the pan and start folding the thinner side over. Tap on the pan a bit to bring the thicker side lip off of the pan so we can fold it better over there. I found that it's a little easier to scooch the egg with the spatula instead of tapping the pan. My favorite stuffings have got to be tomato, cheese, and bacon. That's TCB for short. The TCB omelet, if you will. I've added my favorite omelet fillings in the description below, but let me know in the comments what are your favorite omelet fillings. So let's recap. The creamy, soft, smaller curds are going to be the French omelets, whereas the browned outside, larger curds are going to be the American country-style or home-style omelet. Let's recap the tips too. Salt the eggs when you mix them. Prepare stuffings while letting the egg mixture absorb the salt. Butter. As you can probably see, I only put butter in the pan, but so much more butter is used in most recipes. A tablespoon when the egg is scrambled, a tablespoon in the pan, and on the outside of the omelet once plated to add a nice buttery shine. Use a smaller grate of cheese. I found that this especially helped with melting and actually just looked nicer too. Use medium-high heat and continue to mix the egg in the pan. Tilt the pan to assist the egg folding, use more butter.
Fresh creamery butter. Is there anything more comforting?
I say there's not. The last tip I have is just to be patient with yourself. I've been eating omelets for weeks now, and I'm just now getting the hang of it. After all was said and done, I had my in-house amateur taste tester give my omelet a go, and...
What does that do? Did that blow your mind? That just happened.
It's really good. Not too much out. Probably the best omelet I've ever had. What? You think I'm kidding? They're really good.
If you learned anything from this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more bucket list ideas, tips, and encouragement. Because if I can do this, you can absolutely do this. Maybe in the first week too. And don't forget to comment down below on what your favorite omelet stuffings are, because I'm ready to try some more. 3 weeks of omelets apparently is not enough for me. Thanks for watching. Bye. What? Poke the yolks. Poke yolks. Poke yolk. Left some time scramps. You know what those are. Indistinguishable.